Hey, what's up breeders? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about using social media to grow your breeding business. And if you're a breeder looking to expand your reach and attract more customers, then look no further. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to effectively use social media to promote your business and increase profits. So first of all, obviously it's important to understand the power of social media and why we even use it in the first place for the breeding business. With over 3 billion users worldwide, obviously it just makes sense to reach new audiences and promote your business on social media. Think of how easy it is to promote your dogs through social media compared to trying to do things like, holding up a sign outside of PetSmart with pups for sale, or going to dog parks and hoping people are interested, taking them for walks in the public, you name it. Don't get me wrong, some of them may work, but are way less efficient than being able to just put your dog in front of people's eyes who are already spending a ton of time on their cell phones. Also, on platforms like Facebook, you can have a max of 5,000 friends on your personal profile. So it only makes sense for all 5,000 of those friends to be your actual target audience. They should be people who are inside of dog Facebook groups, who are potential pet owners or other breeders. And one of the most important things to remember is to be consistent with your content, whether it's posting pictures of your puppies and studs, sharing updates on your breeding program, or offering special promotions. Make sure to post regularly and keep your followers engaged. Also, be sure to use a variety of tools that these platforms have to offer. Not just pictures and videos of your dogs, but put up videos of yourself. Share your personal life so that your prospects can connect with you, and create Instagram and Facebook stories with polls, do contests, giveaways, raffles, do lives, create graphics. Share motivational content, be creative. So this will help you to build a loyal following and increase your brand's awareness. And not only will it help you gain new followers, but also retain current followers as well. So yeah, be sure to be consistent in posting in all areas where your target audience is hanging out. And post your, your Facebook profile, your story, your Facebook groups, every group you're in, your Facebook business page, etc. Another tip is to use a variety of platforms. While Facebook and Instagram are the most popular, don't overlook other platforms like TikTok and Discord, where you can find lots of breeders and prospects there too. Each platform has its own unique audience and features, so it's important to understand the strengths of each and use them to your advantage. And finally, consider using a sales funnel, which I talked about in my last video, to guide your prospects through the decision-making process to increase those conversions, viewers into actual sales. By directing your social media followers, to that landing page, you can collect their contact info like I talked to you about and move them through that sales funnel. And with Kennel Boost's free breeder marketing course that we're going to have soon, you'll be able to implement this strategy and learn how to do it to take your business to the next level. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistency, variety, and sales funnels are some of the keys to your success in filling and keeping your pipeline filled with potential buyers. And if you want to pre-sign up for the Kennel Boost free digital breeder marketing course, you can go to www.kennelboost.com. Thanks for watching. Cheers.